The wiki has some helpful features to give each user quick access to their personal settings and to the information that relates to their work. I can open the user menu by clicking on my profile image. The profile image and the notifications menu item indicate when I have new notifications waiting for me. Let's look at my profile page. Here I can add some information about myself. I can edit my contact information and I can change my profile picture. I can also add a nice personal message to introduce myself to others. If I do not want to use a photo, I can generate an avatar icon instead. From my profile page, I edit my profile data. Some of this information is maintained in my preferences, such as my name. This name is shown wherever my user account is mentioned in the wiki. In my preferences, I can customize a lot of settings that are located in different tabs. Let's look at some common settings. In the tab User Profile, I can set my language preferences for the user interface. BlueSpice fully supports German, both informal and formal, as well as English language settings. Here I also check if my email is set up to receive notifications. Talk to your wiki administrator if you need help with getting it to work. In the Appearance tab, you can set your time zone if you work internationally, so that you can see all timestamps in the wiki in your local time zone. In the Watchlist tab, you can check which changes in the wiki should trigger an entry in your watchlist. If you are not interested in seeing your own edits on your watchlist, you can hide them. Here you can also set to automatically add pages to your watchlist after you work on them. This pre-selects the according checkbox for these actions. You can override the setting every time you perform the action, such as saving an edited page. Another useful area in your preferences is notifications. Click on the info icon to determine whether you would like to receive a web notification in the notifications area of your wiki, and if you want to be notified in email. If you are interested in the activities in specific namespaces, you can select to be notified each time a page is created or edited in that namespace. You can also set this for pages that belong to certain categories. In the Extended Search tab, you can select namespaces that are more important to you than other namespaces. The namespaces you select here will be searched with a higher priority than unselected namespaces. Accordingly, search matches from your preferred namespaces will appear higher up in the search results. There is one combined Save button for all settings in your preferences. After you have made all your updates, click Save. For an overview of these settings in the Preferences area, enter the term Preferences in the BlueSpice Help Desk. Depending on my notification preferences, I receive different notifications. If I click on a notification, I jump to the page that triggered the message. This automatically sets the notification to Red. I can also acknowledge a group of notifications or all notifications. Let's go back to the user menu and take a look at the user dashboard. On my user dashboard, I see the latest info related to wiki activities. Here I can see my assignments, what pages I worked on last, or display information from any other wiki page that I frequently need to access. I can easily add or remove information and arrange the individual info blocks by dragging them on the page. In the Privacy Center, I can request the deletion of my user data as well as get some insight in the data the wiki has collected about me. Wiki administrators will review the request and respond accordingly. Here I also review and agree to the privacy policy of the wiki and change my cookie consent at any time. All other menu items link to special pages that are filtered for my user account. For example, I can see a list of pages that I am assigned to or reviews where I am included as reviewer. Each user has a personal navigation, like a bookmarks bar. This personal navigation is edited by each user individually. This is done using wiki text formatting. Let's make a quick change to show you what wiki text looks like. 1 asterisk creates a menu header. To create a link, I simply enter a page name in double brackets and mark it with 2 asterisks. 3 menus are created automatically. They show the pages I recently viewed, my latest edits, and the latest changes on my watch list. I can remove them if I don't need them. After saving the page, I see the menu header and the link in my personal navigation. And there you have it. As you can see, it is easy to find your way around the wiki.